NVIDIA has reported record-breaking Q2 fiscal year 2026 earnings, delivering exceptional growth across all business platforms while navigating a dynamic market environment. For the quarter, NVIDIA generated total revenue of $46.7 billion, surpassing expectations with sequential growth across all market platforms. Data center revenue grew 56% year-over-year, despite a $4 billion decline in H20 product sales. The company maintained strong profitability with a non-GAAP gross margin of 72.7%. Shareholder returns reached $10 billion through stock repurchases and cash dividends. NVIDIA's Blackwell platform continued its momentum, achieving 17% sequential growth. Production shipments of the GB300 ramped up this quarter, scaling to 1,000 racks per week. Meanwhile, the GB200 NVL system is being widely adopted by leading cloud providers and AI leaders, including OpenAI, Meta, and Mistral. The company highlighted its next-generation AI infrastructure technology. The GB300 and DL72 AI factories deliver up to 10 times improvement in tokens per watt compared to the Hopper generation. New 4-bit precision, known as NVFP4, brings a 50 times increase in energy efficiency per token. Management emphasized that a $3 million investment in GB200 infrastructure could potentially generate $30 million in token revenue. Overall, NVIDIA sees a $3 to $4 trillion AI infrastructure opportunity through 2030. Beyond data centers, NVIDIA delivered strong results across all segments. Gaming revenue reached a record $4.3 billion, up 14% sequentially and 49% year-over-year. Networking revenue soared to $7.3 billion, representing 98% growth from last year, driven by Spectrum-X. Professional visualization brought in $601 million, up 32% year-over-year, and automotive solutions climbed to $586 million, a 69% increase, led by demand for self-driving platforms and the Thor SoC. On China, the U.S. government began reviewing export licenses for H20 sales in late July. Some licenses have been granted, but no shipments have yet occurred. As a result, China fell to a low single-digit percentage of data center revenue. If restrictions ease, NVIDIA could see an additional $2 to $5 billion in Q3 H20 revenue. It is worth noting that nearly half of the world's AI researchers are based in China, highlighting the strategic significance of this market. Looking ahead, NVIDIA expects third-quarter revenue of $54 billion, plus or minus 2%. Non-GAAP gross margins are projected at 73.5%, with a target in the mid-70s by year-end. Operating expenses are expected to rise to $4.2 billion as the company accelerates investment to capture AI growth opportunities. The outlook does not assume any H20 shipments to China customers. NVIDIA continues to expand its innovation pipeline. The Blackwell Ultra GB300 is ramping at full speed with extraordinary demand, now in production at 1,000 rack per week. The next-generation Rubin platform is under development, featuring 6 major chips, including the Vera CPU, Rubin GPU, NVLink 144 scale-up switch, Spectrum-X networking, and silicon photonics. By 2026, NVIDIA expects to enter volume production of its third-generation NVLink rack-scale AI supercomputer. Management described the current environment as the beginning of a new industrial revolution, with AI reshaping every industry. Physical AI, through robotics and automation, is opening entirely new markets. Meanwhile, reasoning AI, agentic systems that think, plan, and use tools, is driving compute demand exponentially. Supply remains tight, with everything from H100s to H200s sold out, and cloud providers even renting capacity from each other. The company believes global AI superfactories will scale through the decade, echoing Jensen Huang's comment that every industrial company will need 2 factories, one to build machines and another to build their robotic AI.